Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if your account is disabled and you are unable to use App Store or iTunes, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply verify your payment methods, credit card, and no outstanding balances. So guys, you have to simply verify your payment methods and credit card first. In order to do this, open settings and then go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping, and from here you have to simply update your payment method for one time from here. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily update your payment method from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to media and purchases and then go to view account, and after this you have to simply select your country or region correctly from here. So I simply go to country and region and select your country and region, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions and save this information on your device. So guys, add your payment method again and select your country or region correctly, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the Apple team in a brief way, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.